Welcome back to my channel. It's day 29, January 29, and I'm back to live. So, as I'm on a journey of 366 days of learning and improving myself daily. So, for new viewers who are new to my channel, if you want to be a part of this journey to see from me from January to December, as I come live each day and share my day and my journey. Do you want to be a part of it? Then smack the subscribe button and stay tuned for my new live, a new video. And for today live, my agenda is learning cloud and also starting a project. What I mean is, as I'm working in a company, but although I need a self project which I will be doing at my home, because I will not be doing like my leftover work of the office in home, but I will be doing a new project at my home and hopefully learn a new thing and explore. And also as I will be developing my own project, I will be able to learn and implement new concept, new technologies that will further help in my career. So that's the basic plan out. And before starting today's session, like just summarizing my today day, it was pretty well, but although it can be more than what I had done today. And bro, so my January 1 to January, I think 17 or something like that. Like those 17 days were like the perfect, because I had a Google Calendar and I had divided each and every hour, and that's why I was following those hours. And at the end of the day, I was always happy because I was meeting, like I was fulfilling what I said at the early in my day, like in the morning, what I said, like I will accomplish. I had been accomplishing that each and every day. But this past 1 2 week, something is not at the right place, and my sleep schedule, my overall health, my, like right now also I'm having a throat, like sore throat, like my neck is so much paining, like I'm having like pain when I swallow my, like this also like so much pain. And so that's why I need to really focus on my health and need to plan out, because I had previously planned out. And when I plan and when I make things, okay, so the things should be like this. Yeah. Then I don't know, but there I have so much energy to follow that plan, because right now I'm not following any plan. Like sometime if my day I'm so much exhausted, I take 1 2 hour nap and I sleep at night 1 hour 2 hours, so overall 4 hours. And that is also good, cause for like my body is needing rest, but that should not be the way I'm dealing with my life. And also today is January 29, yeah, okay. So I think, yeah, from the next week I will be joining gym. I, I will be going gym. I will be improving my health. No any junk food. Like I really need to work on it. I really need to work on it. And also my hours, like what I'm learning how to, I really need to do that. And also plan out my videos, like I will be publishing weekly. So if I'm able to publish, then so yeah, okay, 1 2 3 4. So yeah, the 4 week app I have missed, yeah. So if I'm able to give more 4 videos, then on this year I will be able to give 52 videos, yeah. So nothing is better than something. So I need to do it, man. I need to. So okay, and today I will be only live for 1 hour because my sore throat, I'm having a hard time just speaking. Hi, you should really need focus on your health. Yes, bro. I need to, and you should plan your day. Yeah, I really need to do that. Like, I'm having like so much sore throat, so I'm not able to speak properly. But and also, this is the cold month, yeah, like the winter. So I need to go to office at like in the 6 in the morning, and at the 6 in the morning it's so cold, and that's why also I'm having some of the health issues. But I'm thinking to do remotely job after a month, because I need to give my full uh, time for 1 month in my office, because there are so many work to be completed. What type of project are you planning to do? So I have already made e-commerce and the blogging site, which we find like if we go and source like project idea, then the main list are like e-commerce blogging site. Yeah, but what I'm feeling and what I want to do is I want to challenge myself, and also I want to build some projects which I don't know. Like I don't know where to start. Like also, okay. So what I'm thinking is to create a interactive learning platform. Like okay, so for example Rust or JavaScript. Yeah, so I'm going to make a site where people will sign in and make a account. Yeah, then what happens is on their browser they can code like the BS code setup. Yeah, so I will have like inbuilt BS code browser, like the way they can code. And also what I'm planning is this project will be like not a short term project but a long term project. Yeah, and on this site, as I have this YouTube, yeah, like I'm planning to post one video per week. Yeah, so basically I'm going to publish like Git and GitHub JavaScript from beginner to advanced, or like my level kind of course. Yeah, so when I make each course, and then I will publish as the video on my site also. And along the site there will be like a exercise, like a kind of, have you seen this site Code Academy kind of site, but Code Academy kind of site, but I will try to make it like that, but I will add like more features or kind of unique way, so that that way my learning will be also improved by like actively involving in the JavaScript or like the language itself. And if I make that program, yeah, so what happens is uh for the India also and for the Nepal also, many students which are in the like school level or college level, uh, I can promote and market to those students also. And on my high school and on my school also, if I able to make this site, then I know the my club student also, and the maximum people are going to use this site, and they will give me feedback, and I can work on that feedback to improve more. And I want to make this project as a long term, like 1 year project kind of thing. But that doesn't mean like I will need 1 year to complete. I will create it on a month or 1 2 month, but I will be actively investing my time on this. Yo, my boy, got you on the feed again. Yo, bro, thanks for coming in my live. So that's the project I'm planning to do, and for that, what I need to understand is how the like code editor in browser really works. Yeah, because in browser also, if we just if we start a React app also, then we need like a package node modules, and they need to run on the browser also. Yeah, and the fun fact is like I have that Azure $150 credit, yeah, each month. So if I work on this project, I really need like a good hosting, yeah, like a good server, and I already have like $150 Azure server. Then I will be able to learn cloud also with like a backend kind of thing also, yeah. So that's the project I really want to work on. I think he looks fine. Are you saying to me? Thank you. But boy, like I'm having like hard time, like health issues kind of thing. So today I will be live for like 1.5 hour, but I be having like productive session this live. Okay. Yesterday I also got only like 3 hours sleep, and I will quote while watching you. Sure, man. Sure. Like I will be also sharing my screen, but right now I'm doing one thing. Um, okay, so now, so bro, like my next month is going to start soon. Yeah. So as my next month, this month was mainly about mastering React and Next.js, and I'm not fully able to master React and Next.js, but I was able to learn bunch of new concept and implement also. And in my office, as I have like new intern of Next.js, I, I'll be actively like sharing my knowledge and my all my resources. So that's way my learning will be reactive again. Yeah, so that's the thing. And like next month is February. Yeah, so like my February goal is to like data science and YAML and AI. So bro, like if you check out my LinkedIn, I was at the day 47. Like I have already completed day 47 of each day learning machine learning and AI and sharing my certification or my projects on LinkedIn. Yeah. But after 47 days, as I made this new year plan, yeah. So for this January, as I was actively involved in my office work. Yeah, so where I needed more Next.js and React, so I postponed it 1 month period for to give more time on the React and Next.js and start my machine learning and AI. So from the February 1 for to February month, yeah, I will be like sharing my is knowledge on the LinkedIn as a post, but I will be live also here also. But on the LinkedIn, I will be actively sharing. And if I am able to do 30 day also, like 40 plus 30, like 70 days will be complete, and that other 30 days I can do at the next month. What's the temperature? So I think temperature is like it is like 7 degree, 7 degree, and I'm a Android developer working for Node. Like Node VPN, are you saying, man? That's great. I will be back in few minutes, sure, man. What you do, bro? Okay. Like I think Node VPN, yeah. Sorry. Like when I call, like also my this part of neck or so much. So RK, bro, what did you do today? How was your day? Bro, like days go so fast. Yeah, like I was at like January 1, and I was making plan for this January month and for this whole year, and this January month is going to end on one today. Yeah, like when you see like time goes so fast for for me. Like you can say like 365 days, 366 days. This is a long period, yeah. But like, if we don't do anything and just lay on our bed and watch video like Facebook video kind of thing and memes, also the days are going to go fast as same way. But instead of doing that, just doing 1% each day also is very great, I think. I'm trying to be productive but not so good, bro. Like okay, so like if you have saw my live, like at the starting of this live, this very live, I said something, yeah, like regarding my things. And bro, like if you want to make, like from my experience, if you block your time like this, like from I wake up around 7, yeah, so 7, and I go office, and in office also I'm learning the TypeScript one day backend, and after coming home I do like YAML AI for 1 hour. Then I read BSc physics, and on the alternate days I do quantum and I do BCA, and all the alternate days YAML AI BSc physics, yeah. And I'm learning Java DSC also. And at from 7 to 8 I was going gym, but this month I haven't went gym because of my health issues. But from the next, like from the February, I'm going to start my gym again. So on the gym time, I'm doing e-commerce project, and I'm kind of learning ethical hacking. And then after the 10 p.m., yeah, after the 10 p.m. to 2 p.m., like 2 p.m., I do like this live and this kind of project. And my office time is also more about next year, so I learn on that time like next year's also. So like from my experience, if you block like this time, yeah, then okay, so if you miss 1 hour, like at the 4 p.m. to 5 p.m., you were uh you were to learn like Python for example. But after the 5 p.m., don't think about the Python that you need to learn today. Just do that 5 to 6 a.m. of your self study or what you want to do that on that time. Yeah. So if you do that like this, and if you miss also like 1 2 hour, and if you are not like doing like perfectly is block hour, but at the end of the week you will do more than like the previous week. That I felt. Do you watch? So no, bro, like what is his name? SWETBH. Who? TABH Gangwar. TABH. Oh, I think, yeah, yeah. I have watched this some of the video, like, but not recently. Okay, so I have watched his video while I had a breakup. Like there was one breakup video, so I have watched that. But beside that, I haven't. I also plan things, about this week just got disturbed. So don't worry, man. Like if you worry about your this week, then next week also going to be just wasted on your, like thinking my previous week was wasted, yeah, bro. Like my previous week, like I said at my starting of my life also, yeah, from the January 1 to January 17, my each and every day were like going so perfect, damn perfect, perfect, perfect. Like I was saying this I want to do today, and all the things I was making sure to do at the end of the day, yeah. But after 17, I had kind of some like you can say the things I didn't had in my diary or I done was prepared, yeah, like my workshop and all other bunch of things, and that really got disturbed, and cause of that right now I'm a bit pressure and stressed. But as this is January 29, yeah, from tomorrow I'm changing my way of going office, my way of talking to some friend, and like small thing. But I think that will really help me. Like these small things are making me like bad habit. Like after going office at my noon, I go for outside walk, yeah, with my brother, like with my office colleague. Cause of that, I waste so much time on that. Just small talk also. So kind of small thing I'm trying to change. Having a dog is tough. It ran into my neighbor's house. Yo, bro, like, what's your time there? At this night, or are you working for NodeVPN? Yeah, like he said about, yeah, like I'm Android dev working for Node. It's 7 a.m. or p.m. Like right now it is like 11:50 p.m. The circuit captures the action of the black hole qubit, the blocks. Hawking radiation is emitted and the only the substantial source. The Bell state is historically known as the Empire State, sharing the same namesake. So is my screen sharing? It's 7 p.m. Sadly, yes. Why sadly, bro? You are working at the Node area. Like today, I had downloaded one VPN. Like at the office, I don't know, but uh, okay. Like I had downloaded today Turbo VPN, and my office. I don't. I'm not sure like why I downloaded VPN, but I wanted to show some site like that were not accessible from like I think I don't know, bro. Like they don't play a lot. Okay, like from my life, yeah. Like how many of you play chess like actively? Like like know to play chess or like love to play chess? Do you guys play chess at all? Because I don't have weather app with Next.js TypeScript. I play soccer. Where are you from? Mm, I don't play chess at all. Okay, okay. Like what I like, I play at least one game per day, and I think that really helps you to like recall things also. And like at the previous year, like on the 2023, I played like 1029 game on 1 year, and my longest streak was like 75 days. Like I played 75 days all straight, and I think I missed some of the days. You played games against 108 different countries. You won 700 games. You are on the top 4 of live chess player. Okay. Uh, though I'm from Ukraine, I live in Norway. Okay, bro. You live in Norway and you work at NordVPN, yeah? Okay. You played 23. Your chess best friend was Danny, okay? Solved. Exercise 1, okay? So prepare the circuit of where A is given as a random unitary. Let me see how many exercises I have. Unlock your badge. I have 5 exercise. No, no, 5, not a 5, 7 exercise. I think I only have like 1 2 day for completing this. And okay, so there is one video. level of you the challenges of it towards one or you must need to pass. Okay. Discord QE challenge, QE challenge, QE challenge. So this is the Discord, yeah, channel. I'm working on learning OpenCV. Okay, so no, I'm probably bigger than you. I'm 24. Okay, no, so much, not so much. Okay, I'm working on learning OpenCV. I I have heard about OpenCV, but never. I have also never worked with the OpenCV. So it's like a Python framework, like you can visually do. I think so. Like, are you learning OpenCV for your personal project or for just doing some fun project with it, or for your company? Like, yeah, I need it for my next project. I will inform you when it will be live on App Store. Sure, man. But not now, but someday I also want to check it out this OpenCV and to make some project, but not now. Okay, so what I need to see is browser, browser. Like I have no idea like how to make a code. code editor. I think this is the site. uh I think from this code mirror I can make like browser code editor. Examples, documentation, examples here. Okay. Is there any emails like how it went? So, okay. So, so on this it was about theme, yeah. Mm, mm, mm. I use Zostand for global state management. Okay. Uh, since Docker doesn't have official SDK, I had to use Docker Notice. Okay, I was writing web sockets, which was first for me. Monorack. Why Monorack for React? Which seems to be only the code editor after having a short look up. Monorack for React. What is Monorack? Monorack editor React. Okay. So I can use this, I think. Config. Mhm. So yeah, this is the package I think I need, yeah. So okay, so on my side of learning things, yeah. So people will uh have the option to change theme also and the language which they are working on, yeah. So right now, okay, so JavaScript or JSON, yeah. And this is like their config file which I can also make. Mhm. And can I have like this? I can, okay. So this is different editor. Okay, editor. A sandbox, sandboxing environment that's means of a Docker container provides a shell. Okay, front end, back end. So front end or code them wonder how they build your code editor to be customizable or interactive. So what he used is, Course, Toko Road Express, Morgan, and at the front end, what you used React, ROM, those stand. Should I clone and check it out like how it is? But the image he has provided is kind of not what I am expecting. Or okay, so it is the wave version. Yeah, I think. Should I run it? Bro is intoxicated. Do you got some chicks? Like what do you mean by chicks? Like chicken? Like I don't have like farm, but I love chicken. Like I'm not top vegetarian, so I'm a non-veg. I think yeah, I can work on this. I can use this and this. Like I can have like monorack editor, which I think he has used. Node. Why am I having hard time to? Okay, so I think he has used. Yeah, Monaco editor. Yeah, Monaco editor. I think here is also yeah. So he's using same editor like Monaco editor and design for the components Axios React. But I will be making with the Next.js. I will make from the Next.js, and so by making from the Next.js, I will not have to do this like two front end and back end. I will have my code on the same Next.js folder, because at the back end also he is making some routes like yeah, there is okay, so dir playground templates, uh utils, so WebSocket. So he has used WebSocket also. Bro, like I don't have so much experience in Docker, but I have used Docker in some of the project. But still, I'm noob at Docker, like containerization things. So yeah, this is the Docker file. Yeah, so from Ubuntu, uh, bindash code find work apt call nano this and install node.js and work directory app.js express path cookies person Morgan. Like what is this Morgan? I'm confused. Uh okay. HTTP request logon bidable for node.js. Okay. Like what is this? Chucky Tor? I'm not able to pronounce this also. So, mm, file watching binaries. But when using fs watch and fs for watching, it normalizes the event it receives, often checking for truth by getting file stars or direct content. Okay. uh, so yeah, uh, so I'm going to make this kind of project. I will be honest, I love this guy. That's why we're yo, bro. Bro, I was referring to girls. Um, no, like not currently, but for this year, for this year, my chicks is this YouTube. So I'm coming each and every day and loving it, and I don't know it will love me back or not. But he likes chicken. Yes, I do love chicken a lot. So, bro, yeah, so I will be making this project, not this, like, obviously not this clone, but I will be using like this, like, Monaco editor React for the browser editor, and for the tech stack, I will be following, so I'm gonna make a notion, okay? So I will use tech stack like first Next.js, and for the, like, does it need backend? Okay, database. Okay, mm, I can use this plan. Okay, Notion. Mm, so yeah, so I can give a name like Coda Web. Okay, so for now, like, let's keep it a Coda Web. So what is this? Mm, this package, yeah. I can just give link to it. Okay. Mm, other will be like for reference, I can have this project code Fiddle, and it is made with React, but I'm going to use like Next.js, uh like this. Okay, it will be fine. And my uh tech stack for now uh will be Next.js, and I will be hosting in Azure Cloud, and other thing I need to, okay. So okay, for this project I will do like TypeScript. Okay, I'm not okay. So to be honest, I'm not good at the TypeScript, and I have never used like fully on a project, but I will try my best to use TypeScript for like from end to back, like TypeScript. We programmers are built different, so that's why. Okay. But someday we will talk about that jigs also, but not now, because if I, it is the extended form of JS. Yeah, like mainly TypeScript is used for like type safety kind of thing, because for a small analogy. So okay, if we are getting some data from the backend, yeah, and we don't know the what the type of that data is, like it is a number or it is a, like integer, like it is a string or object, yeah. So by not knowing the what type of data we are expecting from the backend, there can be kind of error in our front end also, and at the back end also. Yeah. So what TypeScript does is it checks, and before we face data, we make sure, okay, so this type of data we are expecting, so we need this type of data. So if there comes any error, then we will know before the production, like in the development phase, we will know like where are the issues and what we need to fix it. Yeah. And the main thing why TypeScript is so much popular is not for a solo developer, I think, but in a big companies. Yeah. Like the many developer are involved in some projects and they code review also. Yeah. And not knowing like what type safety is on your code, it can really make your code bug also. Yeah. But TypeScript makes your kind of bug free, so that's why it is used. God, did you explain it well? Thank you. But I'm not sure I explained it well, but like that's the idea. Like I have, and I have was, and I I have gone through the documentation also. So there is kind of like interface kind of thing where we make like the, okay, so this type of data we are expecting. Yeah. And as a solo and for a beginner people, it is a pain in the ass because we need to write like extra, like 20% of the code in a file. Yeah, like for the type safety. And that makes like kind of hard as a starter, but I think after learning and working with it, like people find it's like easy also, and cause there is error free kind of environment after the uses of it. Yeah. So I think I should really give it a try and make sure to learn it properly. I'm not very familiar with web text tag. Okay, so yeah, you are like you said you do Android development. Yeah, like do you use Java or Kotlin? Like what I have heard is now Google also is like supporting Kotlin more than Java, and like people use Kotlin kind of thing, but there is the market for Java developer also, because Java is actively using backend also, like for in the Spring Boot. Like what's the ecosystem in the like app development? So okay, um I will make sure to make it. So yeah, TypeScript, I'm going to use TypeScript and other. So yeah, what I'm planning is, okay, so what I'm planning is this project is made with the and design. Yeah, they have used and designed for their components and for their designs, I think, or not. Okay, so they have only used and designed for the icons. Okay, now I get it. But I don't know I will be able to implement this, but for the long time, like okay, so I have worked with the custom CSS. Yeah. And I have worked with the Tailwind, and on this project of my office, I'm working with like Material UI, and I really want to try this Mantine. And okay, so if I'm able to use it, then I will make sure to use Mantine on this project, but it is kind of optional. uh I use Kotlin 18% of the time. Yeah, Google kills Java. Yeah, like I saw like somewhere like on their Google site, like official site also, they are actively giving resources on the Kotlin. Yeah, like the learning path also, bro. And like Java, but like I'm from Nepal, yeah, so I don't know the market of the other like Norway or other countries. So like how much like is like Java is used in the backend, or like in the backend space like the Python like Django or like Node like Express, Rust, Golang are used in the backend actively, or Java is also like Java has good market in backend or not in like Norway or like in the European countries, because I have like Java in my third sem. Like yeah, I'm going on my second semester. Yeah, so on my third semester I have Java, and I'm going to use it and learn it and obviously create some project with Java also. Yeah, so I was thinking to learn data structure and algorithm. So I'm learning right now also. But should I try Spring Boot or not? Like Node uses AWS service for the backend. Okay, AWS. Like I'm right now learning this Azure. Yeah, but I think if I give time and actively learn Azure, and then in the future I can switch to the AWS also. Yeah, like because uh Azure is giving me like $150 like each month. So yeah, like see you can see $150 credit remaining. Yeah, so I'm planning to use Azure and learn Azure, but I know like the AWS has the like 60 to 70% market share in the cloud computing, and in Nepal also the most of the companies they all use like AWS. I started Java when I was 11. Java is like my childhood friend. Yo, bro, you started coding at 11. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. Yeah, like right now I'm learning like JavaScript, like just a like beginner level. Yeah, but I I want to learn Java for my like mainly data structure and algorithm, and in the near future if I'm if I like it and if I'm able to commit my time more, they can then I can like switch to like Spring Boot also. You are correct. AWS handles one third of the global internet traffic. Yes, man. And like what I heard was the AWS was the first cloud computing kind of service in the world also, and like Jeff Bezos, yeah. So Amazon like AWS cloud service gives like more than 60% share like profit than the Amazon itself. And there is nowadays so many cloud computing, like there is this Hawaii, like my short said about this also, like Hawaii cloud. Mm, yeah, I think this one. There are nowadays so many in the market, but AWS and I think Azure and GCP like Google Cloud Platform, and there is from the Alibaba also, like from the Jack Ma. Mm, okay, so that will be the project I'm going to use. Okay, so Mantine, and I really want to use this Mantine, and so brother, okay, so can you? My family wasn't this life was hard for me when I was younger, so yeah, I did it. That's great, man. Like you are giving me inspiration. I can absolutely relate to this, and that's why I also started the kind of job. But yo, man, that's the hustle. I also need. That's great, bro. Like, if you are starting some side project, yeah, like or side project, or you are kind of starting some project you really want to give time, yeah. So, like, what are the things you first like think about? Like for me, I think the I should first of all know like what the project I'm building and why I really need to build this project instead of my other ideas. Yeah, then I like look upon like is their same project already built. Then I go to their code base and I try to like see like what they implement, and then I choose my tech stack, and then I break like steps. Like for 1 week I'm going to do like front end this part, and second week this part, and kind of break that way. But I don't know, like that's the way I should see a project, or like for a side project, like for my personal project, like how should I work, and like how should I go, like um I'm also starting like this whole journey, yeah. So I don't have like experience on it. So can you, so if you have done this and if you have some kind of experience, then you can share it. First from racism to, cause I'm from Ukraine, people in mainland Europe don't consider as equal. So I just want to say never give up. Uh, give up. Life is more harder now than it was before. Absolutely, man. Like I thought in Nepal only like there is kind of these things, but as we are human, yeah, like they're like human beings are like great, as I'm also human being, but there is some deep inside thing, yeah, like which makes them like a very bad, like a rotten people, like cause of like they want to feel like I'm superior than other people, or some kind of self obsessed way of ego, like they are not able to manage. But cause of this, like they really go harsh and create inequality and all kind of this bullshit. Like at the end we are just going to die, like so why to like discriminate? Just do your damn work, pay pay your bills, have a nice family, and if you have like a big dreams, then go for it, give it all, and until you die, like give the best. And when you die, also you can have a like a smile on your face. Yeah, like that's the thing I think like people should have, but cause of this self-obsessed and of discrimination, they are having war. So much thing like that's not even a necessary for us. What are you question? Sorry, I missed out. Like, okay, so if I'm starting some side project, so, like for right now, what I do is I focus on why I'm making this project, and I go on a GitHub and like look like how can I make this project, and if someone has already made it or not, yeah. And I choose my tech stack, and I go and build by breaking the things. But I don't know, like that's the way I should follow for starting my side project, or should I do more research on it, or should I just start it like and just figure it out on the way, or like what's like do you have like any kind of not a blueprint? Like there is nothing kind of blueprint I know, because it is all about ourself, like our journey. But how can I approach a side project? Like what should my like my mentality? like kind of way can you suggest, because I'm having some kind of hard time, like I'm thinking about the tech stack. Okay, so I thought I need this tech stack, yeah. And if I don't know one of the tech stack, then I go and I try to learn it. And by doing so, the my main motive was to start a project, yeah. So it will be delayed for 1 week, and cause of that, I start new project or so how you feel about it? I will suggest just you do some research. You will feel great when you will do it by yourself. Yeah, so like I said I'm going to build this project, yeah, like a Coda web. So my motive is like I want to create a site where like I will be more focusing for the school and high school student, like where they can go and there they can select their course, like not a universal kind of coding experience, but okay. So for a small example, at my high school there is one curriculum, yeah. So I will choose that curriculum, and when a people come to my site, so they can do like code in a browser way, and there will be the exercise and there will be the videos at the site. So like uh, I can make my own videos on those topic also, so people will watch those videos, and there will be some kind of assignment, and they can see that assignment and code on a web. So that's the thing I want to make. So okay, so I have fixed the text tag, yeah. So I think I should just start it, yeah. Or should I give more time and like other things should like have I missed anything, like uh like mm, mm, yeah, I think I should do some research about it also. A browser-based code editor. Okay, so it is created by Microsoft. So okay, this Monaco is created by that Power PS code. Okay, so Monaco editor that Power PS code. A good page describing the code editor features is here. Okay, Rust Dark. So yeah, I can see about like the changes of the Git also here. Yeah, okay. Hmm. This is what? This is multiplayer code editor. Why he has like index.html. So server client. Mm. So he has used React, okay. So but on this he has used code mirror. Bro, like have you ever worked in a like WebSocket? Search is your end library to do that running the code on the browser. Yeah, like I got this Monaco, so I think I will be implementing this like this. I'm going to surely implementing this. Bro, like have you worked before like WebSocket? Like socket.io? Are you familiar with WebRTC? Yeah, like I like not so much familiar, but I created one clone by you watching one YouTube video. Like second, just a second. Okay, I got one small call. So okay, I I have worked with sockets for sending and receiving messages. Yeah, like socket, like there is one client side and one is like server side. Yeah. So my backend developer was saying like I will create socket from the backend, but you also need to learn socket to work on our like front end kind of thing. Like there is this client API, yeah, like server and client. So I think I need to learn as a front end developer, like from my understanding. First of all, you should create one link to the backend and front end. Yeah, so you can push any notification or anything by that node. Yeah, like there is a bunch of node. Like sorry for, but kind of I have basic knowledge, just a, and I think as a front end I also need to learn socket for to communicate and to push kind of thing, because at the rest you need to send like a payload. Yeah, but in the socket you don't need to request for some data. Yeah, so that's the I think basic analogy. But where is socket? mm, Documentation tutorial. Because I think as you saw in here, yeah, like this multi, this coda web, I think I also need to learn socket for this also, on this side project also. So um, I think, okay, so this is the backend, yeah. Serving Warrior API. Yeah, from client to server, from server to client. So they make connection. So like this one, like server to client and server to client and client to server. Yeah. So if I'm working on front end, then I need to make like server client to server. I think. So I think this are the room. I initialize the Express server and create server from Node HTTP. Okay, so const app express. So server server, yeah. So on this route, I'm going to say hello world, and I'm going to listen at 3000 and console log it. Like just by typing it, like obviously I'm looking from here, yeah, but by just typing all it and not just copying from like control C and control V, I think it really creates memory muscle for your next project. Yeah, so res.send, yeah, res.send and hello world. I can like server dot server dot listen. Uh, so 3000 or the 3000 port, and yeah, I can like do this. Okay, yeah, no, sorry. Like what I need to is I need to add a script here. Yeah. So what I need to do is what I need to do is or I can do like npm bro, like why it is like dependency at the top, but that should not matter. I think npm state index npm index.js. Oh, there is the comma. I'm sorry. Okay, bro, what is the command? Oh, node. Okay, node index.js. Um, but so there is some error here. Why there is a error? Import express. Yeah. Okay. Import. Why? What is this saying is uh, can't use input outside a model. Okay. Mm, what I will do is I will add this. I'm going to delete this node model also. I'm going to delete this also, and on this I'm going to do what is again install this. Let's see what happens. Okay, so and so this time it should work properly. Yeah, so on this time if I do node.index.js, so it should work on. Yeah, hello, yeah. I mostly use AWS and Firefox for sending and receiving data, Man, I have to go and grab some food. It will be. I see you soon. I have stopped you. You will see you, Tom. Happy learning. Thank you, brother, and have your dinner nicely. And take care. So, where is my water? I need so cold. So it's 1 p.m. Okay. So, what I was saying was, uh, yeah, this one, LinkedIn. No, bro, why? Bro, this also came. File URL. Import meta. Import meta dot URL. No, how it is being used here is okay. Uh, I okay. So this the name and join is used to join this html dot index dot html. Okay, and this file URL to path. Okay. So just file URL to path. Okay. Uh, so we are sending this, but now we are sending a file. Yeah. Uh, join from the directory index.html, but I have not created. Yeah. So I need to create index.html. Yeah. And I need to uh HTML. Okay. So I don't want to just copy paste it. I want to understand, and then I want to socket dot io loading chat. Okay, so but I'm not going to write this style. No way. Or if you want, guys, I can write exact this CSS in Tailwind CSS, but not going to write this. Not a chance. Mm, I think it is already working. Yeah, yeah. So if you restart the progress, okay. So I need to restart. Okay, I will restart it. So if I go here after restarting, what I get? I got nothing at all. Oh, yeah, I got here. Yeah, yeah. Uh, do I need to start again, server, to just see my CSS? I'm not going to do that. Uh, okay, so up to this, I'm okay. So, okay, integrating socket.io. Okay, socket.io is composed of two parts: a server that integrates with or mounts on the Node.js HTTP server, this socket.io package, a client library that loads on the browser side, the socket.io client package. During development, socket.io sorts the client automatically for us, as we will see. So for now, we only need to install one module. This will install the module and add the dependency. So now let's edit index.html to add it. Okay. No, no, index.js. Okay. So we have this server right now running. Now we need to add this import server server from socket.io, and I need to create one constant of uh IO, which creates a new uh server, new server. Okay, and when IO, like when server is on, like I think this wa- on is kind of a method. Yeah, like it does something, I know. Okay, so when socket.io is on, then what I need to make is connection connection of of socket. uh, I need to consolidate a user connected. uh, I don't need this much, bro. Yeah, a user connected. Notice uh, notice that I initialize a new instance of socket.io by passing the server the HTTP server object. Then I listen on the connection event for incoming socket and log into the console. Now in the index.html add the following snippet before the body. That's all it takes to add the socket.io client, which exposes an IO global and the endpoint get socket.io.js and then connect it. If you like to use the local version of the file, you can find it on. You can also use a CDN instead of local file. Okay, notice that I'm not specifying any URL when I call IO since it defaults to trying to connect to the host that solves the page. Note if you are behind or reverse proxies such as Apache or Nginx, please look at the documentation for it. If you are hosted your app in a folder that is not root of your website chat app, then you also need to specify the path in the uh, both client and the server. If you now restart the progress by hitting say and running Node.js and again refreshing, you should see a console read. Try running several times. If you see several, yeah, I use it connected. Also, fast special command. But why there is no disconnect? Why? Oh, why? No, I mean, why it is not working? If I go here, yeah, okay. A user is connected. If I in also a user is disconnected, message is not being shown to me. Why? What it can be? Why it can? I think I need to one time. Yeah, disconnected, connected, disconnected, connected. Okay. Imitating events. The main idea behind Socket.io is that you can send and receive any events you want with any data you want. Any object that can be encoded as JSON will do, and the binary data is supported too. Let's make it so that when the user tries in a message, the server gets it as a chat message event. The script section in the HTML should now look like the following. broadcasting. The next goal is for us to emit the event from the server to the rest of the user. In order to send an event to everyone, Socket.io gives us the io.emit method. This will emit the event to all connected sockets. If you want to send a message to everyone except for a certain emitting socket, you have the broadcast flag for emitting from that socket. In the case of simplicity, we will be send the message to everyone including the sender. Uh, what I can do is, and on the client side, when you capture a chat message event, we will include it on the page. Someone but मेरो तिमीलाई नै छ. Socket.on chat message function. Uh, I chat message function message. It will mean li append. So let's see. Okay, so now now overview of the API. Okay, so before we go any further, let's take a quick tour of the API provided by the Socket.io. Common API. The following methods are available for both the client and the server. Basic emit. As we have seen in this step 4, you can send in any data to the other side with socket.emit. Yeah, from the okay. So this emit, yeah, we can use at the client also. We can use at the server also. No. What I mean is, if we want to send data from client to server, then on the client we give like emit hello world, and on the server it takes that, yeah, like it takes the argument and like the hello and the argument is world, so it will log that, yeah. But if you are seeing the case of the server, then the from the server what we are doing is on the connection emit hello world, and we are taking that hello and the world as an argument, and we are consoling it. Okay, so emit is basically used to from server to client or client to server pass any uh data to send any data to other side with the socket.emit. Yeah, so that's the basic common API. Okay, so as the second one is, you can send any number of arguments, and all stray analyzed data structure are supported, including binary object like array buffer, typed array or buffer node.js only. Okay, so from the client, so what is this? Okay, so uh, it is nothing. It is just like here I'm only sending one data, one argument here. I'm sending so many data, and also what I'm doing is, yeah, I'm sending so many argument. That's only the difference. And calling JSON dot signify on object is not needed. Okay, so I don't need to do this. Like, I don't need to convert. Okay, I can just have it on this kind of way. Okay, so acknowledgement events are great, but in some case you may want a more classic request response API. In socket.io, this features is named acknowledgement. It comes in two flavor. Okay, with a callback function, you can add a callback as the last argument of the emit, and this callback will be called once the other side has acknowledged the event. uh, Callback function, yeah. uh, I didn't understand this, but from what I am seeing here is it is also taking callback, yeah. uh, Request response API, so it is giving like okay, so status of okay with a promise. With event with wake method provides the same functionality but returns a promise which will resolve once the other side acknowledges the event. So from the client, we are trying or wait at the 5 second. mm, catch all listener is a listener that will be called for any incoming event. This is useful for debugging your application. Sender, receiver on any, yeah. Simplify for outgoing packets. Server API. As we have seen in step 5, you can broadcast any an event to all connected clients with io.emit. Yeah, I can. This server to client. Yeah, rooms. In socket.io jargon, a room is an arbitrary channel that sockets can join and leave. It can be used to broadcast event to a subset of a connected client on connected some room. What is this image? Not in the targeted room. Okay. So let's do handling disconnection. Now let's highlight two really important properties of Socket.io. Socket.io client is not always connected. Socket.io server does not store any event. Even over a stable connection, it is not possible to maintain a connection alive forever, which means that your application needs to be able to synchronize the local state of the client with the global state on this server after a temporary disconnection. Note, the Socket.io client will automatically try to reconnect after a small delay. However, any missed event during the disconnection period will be effectively be lost for this client. In the context of our chat application, that this implies that a disconnected client might miss some message. So from the server, we are giving like we are emit uh chat message. Yeah, chat message not connected. So this user has not connected. Okay. So like basically what should I learn from this is uh the client is not always connected. So and or on a stable network also it is not possible to maintain a connection life forever, and if it misses then yeah will be effectively be lost for this client. Okay, I think there will be some step here. Yeah, first let's handle disconnection by pretending that there was no disconnection. This feature is called connected connection state recovery. These features will temporarily store all the events that are sent by the server and will try to restore the state of a client when it reconnects. Okay, so bro, like, should I add copy like this code like broadcast and this handling because I haven't done that. Uh, please send your GitHub link. Please send your GitHub link. Sorry, bro, I was not able to send. Mm, so this is my GitHub link, brother. Bro, I'm so much sleepy today, but no, I need to learn it. Ah, and I need to wake up at 6 p.m. like after 3 hour or 4 hour. So where is that? Okay. Huh? Like it is not working. So I disconnected, yeah. And I sent it the message. But when I connect, the message should be here now. But it is no. I can't find the message. Uh, bro, I'm not able to understand it. Okay. Mm. सुबह होने ना दे होने ना दे एक दूसरे को हम खोने ना दे तुम्हें. Bro, it's so cold here. Oof. I think I need to do like. I can even stop my camera. I don't need to show it, yeah. Uh, but I thought after connecting it, it will give me the. But I think I have missed some line of code. I think. Used. Why it was not working on my code? Why? Uh, yeah, why it is not working? Uh, I am I am good. Yeah, this one. Although it is not working. Why? I'll just come back in a minute. Host tablets use all the available cores of the host material. So guys, today I learned about Socket.io and other stuff too. So for today this much. So see you tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice day and good night.